Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Mickey resigned after allegations. State NCP chief says the rule should apply to all. Reacts to a question regarding allegations on Home Minister's son. Police say Mickey not cooperating with investigation. Mickey's advocate says case politically motivated. Police confiscate 5 mobiles and 3 SIM cards from Mickey. PWD minister assures to reduce width of national highway to 45 meters. Says regulation of 60 meters will be maintained wherever possible. There's no chance for Jahapana to see Great Ho type ragging. Goa University takes affidavits from students pledging not to involve in any ragging activity. In sports, Dempo Goodwill ambassador Talasha Prabhu wins fastest female swimmer title at Nationals, breaks 3 national records. Next target is Commonwealth Games, says Talasha. And now the news in detail. NCP State President Jose Philip D'Souza has said that whatever rule was applied for Mickey should be applied to all. He was replying to a question whether Home Minister should resign the way Mickey did following allegations of his son's involvement with drug mafia. Mickey had resigned after allegations of being responsible for Nadia's death.
मिकीक जेन्ना रिजाइन करपाक लायलो तेन्ना पार्टीन सांगलें की मिकीचेर काय सिरियस आरोप जाल्यात आनी जो पर्यंत ह्या आरोपांचे सारकें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावन ट्रूथ भायर सरना तो पर्यंत ताका आमी सांगलां की भायर राव कॅबिनेट सद्याक तरी रिजाइन जा लेट यू कम आउट क्लीन एंड यू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बॅक म्हणून आज होम मिनिस्टराच्या चल्याचेर एलिगेशन्स जातात एज अ मेजर कोलिशन पार्टनर इन द गोवा गव्हर्मेंट do you feel that Home Minister should resign?
प्रमोद बाब जेन्ना म्हज्या लिडरान हाय कमांड शरद पवारान जेन्ना मिकीचेर ही चर्चा जाली मिकीचेर हो सगळो गोंदळ जालो तेन्ना उलोवप जालें हो पुलीस ते फाटल्यान लायले तेन्ना हो ही केसी बद्दल हो इशू जालो तेन्ना म्हज्या हाय कमांडान शरद पवारान इमिजिएटली म्हज्या कलिगाक बाब मिकी पचाकोक सांगलें You resign. आता जोरी तर हे रवी बाबाचेर वा ताच्या चल्याचेर कितेंय तरी भशेन चर्चा जाता आनी हे भशेन तरी चलता जाल्यार काँग्रेसाचें हायकमांड आहा काँग्रेसान हायकमांडान तेजेरूय एक चिंतपा जाय आनी कितेंय तरी एक whether it is a truth I don't know whether it is a truth स्वत आहा वो स्वत ना ते हांव नो
But don't you think the same rule which applied to your fellow MLA should apply to the Home Minister?
It should apply for all.
The same rule?
Yes, same rule. Whenever anybody who made mistake.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Order on Mickey's bail plea has been kept on Tuesday afternoon. Arguments on Mickey's bail plea were heard on Monday at the Additional Sessions Court at Madgaon. Police have mentioned that Mickey is not cooperating with the police. 5 mobile phones and 3 SIM cards are confiscated from Mickey.
The hearing on Mickey's bail plea was held on Monday. The order has been kept reserved for Tuesday. Mickey's counsel Surendra Desai argued that Mickey should be granted bail as this case is politically motivated, whereas public prosecutor Sarojini Sardin argued saying that Mickey should not be granted bail as he is not cooperating with police interrogation. Counsel of Mickey Amit Palekar briefed us more.
I think there has been, as stated by prosecution itself, there has been enough investigation which has been done. In the case we have put it before the court that having undergone 10 days or 10 hours or 2.5 hours or 5 hours interrogation, he should be released on bail.
After listening to the arguments, Additional Sessions Court Judge B.P. Deshpande has kept this order reserved for Tuesday. A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
National Highway Authority of India has agreed to bring down the width of National Highway by 45 meters. PWD Minister Churchill Alemao has confirmed this. He said that Forest Department has assured to cooperate in the process and final decision will come following a crucial meeting with higher authorities of NHAI and concerned State Department heads.
आमचो वयल्लो कोण तो मेंबर ऑफ NHI पाटील सुभाष पाटील चीफ जनरल मॅनेजर येयल्लो तेगेलें नांव तुगेलें एके मातूर एक तेमी मानून घेतला तें 45 करपाक 45 मिटर
पयलीं 60 आसलें
पयलीं 60 आसलें खूंय पळय घरा हांवें थिंगा 45 मीटर घेवपाक तेमी एग्री केलें सर क्लियरन्स एक्स आतां पर्वरीचे एक प्रॉब्लेम आहा पर्वरीचें कितें जालां की NOC सांगून येयले तेमी आमी जेन्ना हायवे येता तेन्ना आमी मोटले म्हूण थिंगा आतां कितें जालां 14 or 15 व्हडली बिल्डींग आयल्या इट इज गोइंग टू कॉस्ट एट लीस्ट मोर दॅन 100 crore आतां थिंगा तो लोक प्रॉब्लेम कोता थिंगा ते अजून एग्री जालें ना पूण आमी सांगलां थिंगा कितें तरी आयडिया काडपाक तांकां मागलां दुसरें पळय म्हणटा डारगाल पेरने थिंगा 45 केल्या
60 मीटर आसलें ती कॅन्सल जाली
हय 60 मिटरां खंय कितना थिंग जातलें 60 मिटर कांय ना थिंगा
आनी जे कडेन फॉरेस्ट लागते कडेन
फॉरेस्टा सांगलें आमी फॉरेस्टा हाडले फॉरेस्ट कितें जालें फॉरेस्ट तेमी सांगलां आमी कॉपरेट करता आमी सगळें
NOC बी दितलो
हय
Time frame has been set at
टायम लिमीट मागीर आतां लास्ट म्हणल्यार आनी एक मिटींग करता मागीर सांगता टायम लिमीट सगळी.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.